Here's our game. It's named Epic Bird Quest. Our team name is College Cats. We are a group of 3, and our game covers 3 topics, and one, as you can see, is a bonus level. And the first main topic is deforestation. The second main topic is pollution, and the third main topic is poaching. And click level 1 to start off. So you just click it, and it'd say start. It'd say start, and you would start off right here, and then you would click instructions if you wanted. And that's level 1, and it's deforestation, as you can see, because there's burning trees falling down because of deforestation. And if you were to click instructions, it would have told you how to play the game. How to play, you have to pass three levels. The first level is about deforestation. Second level is about the Pacific Ocean. And the third level is you escape from hunters. That's, you use the arrow keys to maneuver your character or your bird. To move up, you click up. To move right, you click right. To move left, you click left. To move down, you click down. And our second level, it takes place in the ocean, and all the birds have a specific habitat, and that's the bird running away from the oil-filled water, and plastic bags are coming forward. So you'd have to dodge both waves filled with oil and plastic bags. And the things that will be moving or animating is the oil-filled waves and the plastic bags, and the sounds you'll hear are ocean sounds and a bird squawking whenever you die. And the third level.
Explain the third level.
Third level it's about an eagle, and that is in this habitat, and when some hunters are trying to kill it, and now how the eagles are being extinct because they're being hunted down, and so you have to fly or escape the hunters before they kill you. And
how do you win the level?
to win it, you gotta escape it, and you gotta make it to the other nest so you can be free or be safe from before they can kill you.
And
Both of you, come here.